Well, it's been a very active pattern, really over the last couple of weeks with showers and storms and flooding, hail, tornadoes, winds, everything. And we may not be quite done just yet. Another system is headed our way on Monday, and it could bring the risk, at least for isolated severe storms. Now, there's some question marks as the main storm system itself is going to slide through across the parts of Kansas, Nebraska, and down into northern Oklahoma. So you may wind up seeing your best threat for severe weather maybe develop up this way. However, down to the south, we got plenty of moisture, plenty of humidity, and at least on the bottom side, the southern end of this storm system, there could be some isolated severe storms that could pop up. And if we get them, all hazards would be possible. So another one of these pretty intense systems could be a pretty significant severe weather event, maybe just north of us. We'll keep an eye on it. Now, if you look at the severe weather parameters, they do begin to show up some here by Monday afternoon, especially first north of us. And then if we don't get too capped, we could see those parameters get a little bit higher down our way on Monday evening. So we'll need to keep an eye on this. But as far as weather data goes, only some isolated signals for storms showing up down our way, with the better or more consistent signals kind of up to the north. Those would be those more dangerous, potentially tornadic supercells. And down our way, we'll have to just see if anything isolated can get going along that front. That kind of moves back off to the north of us overnight on Monday. And then this front north of us, that arrives midweek. And this could be what changes our weather pattern to cooler and less wet and less severe late next week.